I washed the cup.
I washed the cup.
He opened the door.
He opened the door.
She cleaned the mirror.
She cleaned the mirror.
They made the bed.
They made the bed.
We swept the floor.
We swept the floor.
I dried the dishes.
I dried the dishes.
She set the table.
She set the table.
He cooked the rice.
He cooked the rice.
They fed the cat.
They fed the cat.
We folded clothes.
We folded clothes.
I wiped the sink.
I wiped the sink.
She mopped the tiles.
She mopped the tiles.
He boiled water.
He boiled water.
They turned on lights.
They turned on lights.
We checked the mail.
We checked the mail.
I hung the towel.
I hung the towel.
She closed the curtains.
She closed the curtains.
He changed the sheets.
He changed the sheets.
They threw the trash.
They threw the trash.
We dusted the shelf.
We dusted the shelf.
I repaired the fan.
I repaired the fan.
She fixed the clock.
She fixed the clock.
He moved the table.
He moved the table.
They organized books.
They organized books.
We decorated the room.
We decorated the room.
I picked up toys.
I picked up toys.
She sharpened pencils.
She sharpened pencils.
He arranged the chairs.
He arranged the chairs.
They cleaned the windows.
They cleaned the windows.
We painted the wall.
We painted the wall.
I opened the drawer.
I opened the drawer.
She folded the blanket.
She folded the blanket.
He washed the pot.
He washed the pot.
They changed the bulb.
They changed the bulb.
We repaired the door.
We repaired the door.
I watered the plant.
I watered the plant.
She swept the porch.
She swept the porch.
He wiped the mirror.
He wiped the mirror.
They dried the clothes.
They dried the clothes.
We ironed the shirts.
We ironed the shirts.
I cleaned my shoes.
I cleaned my shoes.
She found the remote.
She found the remote.
He vacuumed the rug.
He vacuumed the rug.
They cleaned the table.
They cleaned the table.
We opened the closet.
We opened the closet.
I sorted the laundry.
I sorted the laundry.
She hung the shirt.
She hung the shirt.
He opened the bottle.
He opened the bottle.
They fixed the handle.
They fixed the handle.
We cleaned the fridge.
We cleaned the fridge.
I missed you.
I missed you.
She smiled at me.
She smiled at me.
He waved goodbye.
He waved goodbye.
They laughed aloud.
They laughed aloud.
We hugged tightly.
We hugged tightly.
I cried today.
I cried today.
She felt nervous.
She felt nervous.
He was angry.
He was angry.
They were tired.
They were tired.
We stayed calm.
We stayed calm.
I got surprised.
I got surprised.
She stayed quiet.
She stayed quiet.
He seemed bored.
He seemed bored.
They felt proud.
They felt proud.
We looked happy.
We looked happy.
I jumped with joy.
I jumped with joy.
She got scared.
She got scared.
He whispered softly.
He whispered softly.
They clapped loudly.
They clapped loudly.
We ran away.
We ran away.
I stood still.
I stood still.
She nodded yes.
She nodded yes.
He said no.
He said no.
They looked confused.
They looked confused.
We waited outside.
We waited outside.
I heard laughter.
I heard laughter.
She shouted loudly.
She shouted loudly.
He felt sick.
He felt sick.
They stayed home.
They stayed home.
We felt safe.
We felt safe.
I saw him cry.
I saw him cry.
She comforted me.
She comforted me.
He shared his snack.
He shared his snack.
They told a joke.
They told a joke.
We helped him.
We helped him.
I said sorry.
I said sorry.
She forgave me.
She forgave me.
He gave a gift.
He gave a gift.
They shook hands.
They shook hands.
We became friends.
We became friends.
I saw her dance.
I saw her dance.
She thanked me.
She thanked me.
He listened carefully.
He listened carefully.
They ignored me.
They ignored me.
We watched together.
We watched together.
I joined the group.
I joined the group.
She met his eyes.
She met his eyes.
He showed kindness.
He showed kindness.
They stayed together.
They stayed together.
We welcomed him.
We welcomed him.